Now which kind of question you can't ask me this early mama why the waka come out to go work?
Oh, so me will be your wife, Amaka.
Oh my God.
I don't get right to ask my husband what thing come make the change cloth up and down like woman.
Oh. So now the cloth
I just love the dialogue of this soap. It's too funny.
Oh, the writers do a great job.
And the actors too. If you don't act it well, then the writer's job is in vain.
That's true. I think I'll write a movie someday.
Really? You think you have what it takes?
Yes, I'll go for writing, but I think there are short classes for writers, so I'll just go. My classmate sister is presently doing one.
Okay, good luck with that.
Thank you.
Turn your life around.
I think I'm missing Tayo. Isn't that odd?
It is odd. But then again, the house seems boring without her.
It is. It's boring. Let's call her.
Okay. Put on speaker.
Okay.
Hi, Tayo. We miss you.
Hi, I will miss you. Okay, so when are you coming back again?
Who? No, it's a lie. Are you serious? Please tell me you took a picture with him.
Trust on that.
Tell me you got his phone number.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, you have to come for that party. You'll be falling on pants if you don't show.
My dad will never let me go for something like that.
Something like what? You're making it seem like I'm inviting you for an orgy. It's just a final year student party. Drinks, music, shops and playing around.
It sounds like fun already. But my dad won't just let me go and that's it.
So, what's going to happen to the ticket I bought already?
I will sell it to someone else. I'm sorry, I can't go.
Thanks a lot. You killed Joy. If you're not going, I'm not going either.
But why? You're supposed to have fun.
What fun will it be if you're not there?
I know. But my father won't just let me go and that's it.
Must you tell him everything? You could just tell him you're coming to my house to get some schoolwork done. The party starts earliest by 3 and ends by 7. I already bribed my brother to take us there and bring us in early.
I don't know.
No excuse, we are doing this.
Ali.
Yeah?
Daddy, did you ever attend parties as a young boy?
One or two. I never fancied them.
Why not?
No particular reason. I just preferred staying back to read a book than going out to mingle. I was very quiet.
Okay.
Why?
Nothing. Just curious.
I also did not like what went down at parties. All the smoking, drinking, pimping and whatnot. This doesn't mean I didn't attend some get-together parties. I would honor some friends' invitation, but I never stayed long. I guess I'm not cut out for things like that.
No, you're not. It's a struggle to get you to birthday parties or weddings. And even if you do, you don't stay long.
I see you and Shadi took that trait from me. Unlike your mother, she lived for events. I remember we used to fight about them. Bless her.
Yes. Bless mommy.
Aya will be back tomorrow, right?
Yes, Dad. That's what she said.
I hope she gets paid in full this time.
Oh, she did. She got her envelope at the end of the show today.
Oh, great. Did she say how much?
Does she ever say how much?
This time she will. I'll make sure. By the way, I have a meeting on the island tomorrow. Bumi, would you like to go with me?
No, Daddy. I have some schoolwork to get done tomorrow.
Schoolwork?
Yes.
Even now that the term is almost over?
Yes, so the teacher is like that, eh? She's like that. I have to go to Matita's house tomorrow to get it done. She shared us into groups and she said we should submit on Monday.
What is the assignment exactly?
She said we should draw the reproductive system of 3 different animals of our choice.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I could help you with that. I still remember the reproductive system of...
No, Shade. Why are you bothering yourself? I will go to Matita's house to get it done tomorrow.
Okay, then.
Yes, Daddy.
Dad, I could go with you to the island if you want.
Oh, thanks. You're welcome. I just needed company, that's all.
And company, I shall be.
Yes. Enough company.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Daddy, I don't know what you're talking about.
You won't know now that money is involved.
But Daddy, I already told you how much I was paid now.
And I say you're lying.
That I'm not, Daddy. It was just 100K.
Lies. If you think I'm not going to give you pocket money at the end of the month, if I know the correct amount, then you are right.
Exactly my point, Daddy.
I mean, even if you have 100K, you are still the richest in the house as we speak.
Dad, Bumi just called. She won't be coming home tonight. Apparently, they're not even halfway done with the assignment.
She's going to stay in her friend's house? Who is this friend?
Daddy, Bumi changes her friends all the time. Who is this new one?
One Matilda.
Oh, I know her. She's been here twice before.
I don't know her. Where is the house?
Ikeja.
I have the good mind to go and get her. Are we sure she's where she says she is?
How about Daddy? It's not that serious now. And it's Bumi we're talking about, not Tayo. Besides, Matilda's mom called me to confirm the story, so...
I'm sorry. What do you mean?
Matilda's mom?
No. It is Bumi, not Tayo.
Don't we all know you're the wild one in this house? Bumi doesn't have the mind for anything other than schoolwork and the likes, so...
May God forgive you for this defamation of character.
Oh, please. Your wildness ain't news. I want to make noodles. Who wants some?
Me.
Okay.
By the way, I have juice for you, Seth, but later.
Oh, okay.
I want some too with fried eggs.
All right. Noodles and fried eggs coming up.
Now you do assignments fast, so...
Welcome. How was your trip?
It wasn't bad. So, did you finish your work?
Yeah, yes I did.
Where is it? Where's your assignment?
Okay. My assignments. Martina will bring everything to school on Monday. She's with it. Where is Daddy and Shadi?
Well, Dad is in his room taking a nap. Shadi is also in her room.
Okay.
Bella,
Thank you.
just have your bath and eat and then sleep, eh?
Okay.
Bella.
Thank you, Tayo. Shall we be at Sarah told me you were sleeping.
No. I wasn't. I was just getting ready for work tomorrow. How was the party?
Did you tell Daddy?
No. I wanted to hear from you first. Bumi, where did you start that type of thing?
I'm sorry. I wanted to go for the party and I knew Daddy won't let me.
Well, you should have told me. Is that not why we have each other?
I know. I'm sorry.
And you got drunk. Who were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking. It was a very stupid thing to do. Shadi, I started to puke. Like, I was a mess. Right now, I'm having the worst headache ever.
Hangover. Yeah. That's what too much alcohol in the system does to you. Bumi, this must not repeat itself again, ever. You hear me?
Yes. Thank you so much for not telling Daddy and Tayo.
Just don't make me regret covering this up for you. That's all.
I won't.
Have you had anything to eat?
Not yet.
Okay, there's food in the kitchen. Food helps with hangovers, I hear.
I think I should call Matilda's mom to thank her for hosting you for me. Do you have a number?
Oh no, Daddy, I don't have a number.
Maybe you should ask your friend then.
Oh, Dad, I already called her to thank her.
Yes.
Oh, that's true. You have a number.
Yeah.
Don't you think I should still call her?
Yes, Dad, I think you should. Yeah. I mean, it was impromptu and she was kind enough.
Daddy, there's no need. I mean, since Shade already called her, you don't have to.
Okay.
Yes, Daddy.
If you insist, I'll go to bed now.
Yes, Daddy.
All right,
That's fine.
Good night, girls.
Daddy,
Good night, Dad.
Daddy, sleep tight.
Spill it.
Spill what?
What's going on? You guys are hiding a secret from me. I can feel it in my bones.
Nothing is going on. You probably need to check your bones.
Smart mouth, eh? Shade, you know you want to tell me.
That's if there's something to tell.
Yes.
Nah, this is not fair. I would never do this to the both of you. You're my sisters.
Do what?
Keep me in the dark. I thought you missed me.
We did. Good night.
You know I'll eventually find out about this, Abby. The matter we are hiding from Baba will be solved by Baba.
What?
It's a proverb.
Oh. Proverb.
I knew it. She didn't go to do any assignment, Abby. I just knew it.
What are you talking about?
Bumi did not go to do any assignments, did she? Where did she go to?
Do you know what time it is?
7:30 a.m. I was in the toilet.
Ew! Too much information, please.
Anyway, he hit me like bam! I knew it. I mean, she said she went to do assignment all night, but she came back with no assignments. And then, you guys will not even allow Dad call her friend's mom. Sounds like something I would do.
Where's Bumi?
I don't know, she's gone to school.
And Dad?
He's probably gone to a meeting. All of the things are not important. See, the important thing is, where did she go? Tell me now.
Look, Tayo, it's nothing serious, okay? She went for a party.
I knew it! And I'm the wild one, right?
Tayo, please. I expect this to be kept a secret. It's in the past already and I've warned her about it. It will never happen again.
Lip sealed. Of course it's a secret with me. I just wanted to be sure that I was right. Oh my God, my guts are never wrong. You never fail me. What? Bumi went to a party? What? I can't take it. I'm done. I'm coming.
Sorry. Hey, what's your problem? Don't you knock, man?
Don't worry about it, Leonardo. I was just leaving. I'm going to check on my new store, okay? We'll talk later.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you today?
Fine, thank you, Ma. Please, do sit down, ma.
Thank you. Are you Shade?
No, ma. I'm tired. Shade's not back from work yet.
Okay, you are not the one I spoke with.
No.
Is your dad home?
He's not at home, ma. Is there anything wrong?
Well, I had hoped he would call me after I told Shade what Matilda and Bumi went into over the weekend. It is the highest level of irresponsibility to go to a party and come back home drunk. I don't have issues with my kids having fun and living life. But I expect it to be with some sense of maturity. Matilda just confessed to me that Bumi did not even tell anybody at home she was going for a party.
Well, ma, Bumi did tell myself and Shade.
She did?
Yes, ma, she did. Only that she forgot to mention the alcohol part and even the part that she got drunk. Bumi. But, ma, they have spoken to her and I'm sure she's learned her lesson.
Well then, I'm glad she's fine and nothing horrible happened to them at the party.
That's it, ma. Ma, thank you so much for your concern and your care. I really do appreciate it.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm not sure I recognize this face.
Oh, we've not met. I am Mrs. Helen Williams, Matilda's mom. Bumi was at my place over the weekend.
Oh, for the assignment. Thank you very much for your hospitality.
You're welcome, though I must say, Bumi wasn't at my place for any assignment.
He didn't even say anything.
I thought I'd fall down and die. That Mrs. Williams is just from hellfire.
She didn't stop talking.
Oh no. We're all in trouble. Did I say where he was going though?
He didn't. He just saw her off and then left the house.
He didn't even say anything and that scares me.
His silence is worse than his words.
I want to thank both of you for covering up for me. I never knew Taya would have my back like that.
Oh, please don't get all emotional on me. That's what sisters do. We have each other's back. You made a mistake. I mean, I don't even drink when I go for parties. You never know. But the most important thing is that you learn from your mistakes. I hope you've learned from yours.
Yes, I have. Nothing is going to make me taste alcohol again. I thought I was going to die. I was so dizzy and nauseous. Oh, I shouldn't have allowed Matilda to drag me to this game.
You shouldn't have listened to Matilda at all, period. You two went to her home drunk. What did you expect? That her mother will celebrate you? Huh?
I think you're right for a new best friend. How about a wiser one this time?
How about no best friends at all? Huh? You have us. Best friends only encourage peer pressure.
Bumi, this is for you.
For me?
Yes, since that's where your interest lies now. You are going to drink the entire bottle.
But Dad, I hate it.
I doubt that very much. If you hate it, you wouldn't take that much as to get drunk. Now, take it, enjoy.
Dad, I
don't think I've asked for your opinion. Did I tell you how disappointed I am in you?
Daddy was sorry.
That's what you all say. And you keep repeating the same thing over and over.
Daddy, it's my fault. Please don't blame Tayo and Shade.
So, drink up. Drink the whiskey.
Daddy, please. Daddy, it's made me sick. And I puked throughout. And I even had the worst hangover the next morning. Please, Daddy.
Like I said, it's your punishment. It's not supposed to be pleasant. So, drink up.
Daddy, please.
Daddy, please. Daddy.
Alcohol!
Of course not.
That is not alcohol.
I can't give you alcohol. You are so special to me.
Daddy, I'm so sorry. Thank you, Daddy.
I know. Tell me, what made that party so special for it to be a matter of life and death?
Matilda said Korede Bello would be there.
Korede Bello. You have a crush on that one too. Did he come?
No, it was just a strategy to get people to come for the party. He didn't come.
I'm going to reiterate that I want to know about all the activities you girls get involved in. Just in case something happens, I want to be in the know. And you, do you know date rapes happen in parties like that?
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Better not.
To think that I'm the one labeled the wild one. Let me just sit down here and drink brown juice.